Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And finally guys, we have some time to set up our unboxing table with the RGB light by Govee. So guys, if this is the first time you heard of this RGB strip by Govee, I have an unboxing and review video just for this. Feel free to check that out. Let's go ahead and set it up. To set up this light, it's really simple. There's no special tools that you need. It's just the lights itself. Everything comes with the box, along with a microfiber towel and some wrapping alcohol. And you need this to remove the dust under your desk or table or any surface that you need it. Okay, let's clean our desk. I recommend to spray the alcohol on the microfiber towel so it don't go anywhere that you don't want it to. And now we can go ahead and wipe it, the surface that you're about to apply the light, the strip. Okay, so after wiping it, just leave it for about 30 seconds to a minute, let it dry. So guys, if you were like me, about to apply the strip under the desk, make sure not to apply it so close to the edge. Otherwise, it's easy to see from standing. So you want it like 1.5 inch inside the desk. And next, you like to find out where you want your power to be connected to. In my case, I'm gonna try to apply my strip on here so my power can be connected from this point too. Okay, now let me apply the strips. When we come to a corner, it's a little bit tricky. So what you want to do is, if you have a corner like this one, you want to turn it inward like this, and then push up, and it's gonna transform it to a angled. So you can place that on here then. So it'll be like this. You see what I mean? Okay, so let me keep going, and then when I meet another corner, and then I'll show you how to turn it again. So when we run to a corner like this one, then we still want to turn it inward. And then you want to fold this up a little bit. You just apply it like so. And it's gonna give you an angle. And let me apply this all the way to another corner. So when we come across to another angle like this, what should we do? We turn it to the right. And then it's gonna give us a angle that we can turn it like so. And then we just apply some force to it, and there we go. And that's how we do with corners. Sometimes you just need to turn once, sometimes you need to turn it twice. In this case, I turned it twice, and it gave me an angle like this, so I can turn it 90 degrees over there. Okay guys, so when we come to the end, we just need to cut whatever that's left over. So this is the place where you cut them and separate them. Okay, so let me cut it. There you go. And we can just save the rest for another project. Let's connect the power. There we go. And connect this part as well. And let's plug in the power adapter. Guys, the moment of truth. Oh, not yet. Oh, yes! There we go. And there we go, guys. That is our unboxing desk with RGB lighting. Let me give you guys a tour under the desk. So we start from here, and then we go all the way to there, and then we meet our first angle, and then we make a 90 degree angle, and all the way back here, and here, another 90 degree. We turn it and we go all the way to here, and then we make another 90 degree all the way back there, and then we come across with another angle. We made another 90 degree. We come all the way to the end, and we stop from here, and then we got our power cable down to the floor. Very good. Really good. So guys, when we enter the room, I have RGB here, I have RGB here, and then I have RGB there, but under this desk I don't have anything. And now I have RGB here, I have RGB here, and then I have RGB there, and then I also have RGB under our unboxing desk. Look at this. So now when we unboxing, there's a beautiful light behind the desk and under the desk. This is really cool. And I know that the cables laying on the floor is a little bit messy, and I think that will be our next project. Also, it's gonna be my next video probably. I'm gonna do a video of how to cable manage, how to make the cable looks nicer. And I'll try to make all this cable disappear under the desk. And then I'll share with you guys how to do the cable management. And feel free to leave a comment below of where do you set up your RGB at, or you just don't like RGB lighting at all. Thank you for watching, and I hope I helped you with your RGB setup. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. And we come across with another angle, we with another 90 degree. We come all the way to the end. We stop from here, and we got our power cable down to the floor.